All right, special thanks to our friends over at i-Blason who were nice enough to send us this Samsung Galaxy S24 case. So inside of this nice little packaging is nothing else in there. We have, whoa, very cool. Little protect your device assembly instructions and screen protector information here. And then this is the case. Wow, very nice. Look at this little flap to protect your cameras. That's cool. So to separate the case, you would start here in the corner and just peel this back like so. And then we can take that out and peel off all of our plastic here. All right, and so now we have two pieces to the case. So put this on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Just pop this case on first, and then you're able to take this one and it just slides right into this case. Just like so. So as you can see, this would protect your phone very, very well. Nice big bumpers on the end. So if it was to fall, you got some good protection there. It offers a very solid grip in your hand. You still have your volume rockers and power button, your speaker grill cutout, and a protector for your USB-C port. And of course, you have a cutout for the fingerprint reader. And yeah, this part, this is like a nice cover to protect your cameras. Can you use it as a kickstand? You kind of could. I'm not certain if it's designed for that, but you could essentially use this little camera protector as a kickstand on your phone. So that's essentially what this Armorbox i-Blason Samsung Galaxy S24 case would look like on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Thanks again to i-Blason, who was nice enough to send these to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.